Hello dear students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to explain chapter 5. The chapter name is More on a Microsoft Paint. Okay, so everyone open chapter 5. Page number 41. Okay, let us start. Okay, dear students, this is the chapter 5 and the chapter name is More on Microsoft Paint. Okay students, More on Microsoft Paint. In this chapter we will learn about select tool, moving and copying an object, rotating and flipping an object, resize skew, okay, opaque and transparent option in paint, zooming and drawing, setting or drawing as desktop background. Okay, so today is the part 1. So in this video we will discuss about select tool, moving and copying an object, and rotating and flipping an object. Okay, so first of all, dear students, we need to know what is a paint. Dear students, a paint is used to draw and color various shapes, patterns, pictures and scenes. Okay, it also lets you edit and print your drawings. Simply you can say Microsoft Paint is a drawing software where you can draw shapes, patterns, picture and sceneries, etc. Okay, dear students, your first topic is select tool. Okay, dear students, select tool is used to select any part of the drawing that you want to edit. Okay students, select tool is used to select any part of the drawing that you want to edit. To use the select tool you have to follow some steps. Okay, so first of all, if you want to use select tool, then you have to open your drawing. So first of all you will open your drawing and then after you have to click on the home tab. Okay, and the next step is click on the select tool down arrow in the image group. Okay, dear students, then after a drop down menu will be appear. The first 3 steps would remain the same irrespective of the tool you select. Okay, a rectangular selection tool lets you select a rectangular area. Okay students, so select the rectangular selection tool and bring the mouse pointer outside the area to be selected. Okay, now dear students, come to the next page, and then after you have to click and drag the pointer around the object to be selected. जिस भी ऑब्जेक्ट को आपको सेलेक्ट करना है आप माउस पॉइंटर वहाँ लाएंगे. यू हैव टू लेफ्ट क्लिक and you have to drag your mouse button. Okay, next release the mouse button once the selection is done. A dotted rectangular selection box appear around the selected object. Now place the pointer inside the selection and you will see it changed to a four-headed arrow. Dear students, when your object will be select, you will see when you bring your mouse pointer over the object, your mouse pointer will be changed to four-headed arrow. Like this, your mouse pointer will be changed into a four-headed arrow. And then after you have to click and drag the object towards left, right, up, down as you wish. Okay. Now dear students, you can see here this is the B number, free from selection tool. Okay, how you will be free from selection tool? Lets you select a part of an image in an irregular shape. It allows you to drag the selected portion and place it in another location. Okay, so dear students, you have to select the free from selection tool and click and drag the pointer around the object to be selected, and then release the mouse button after the selection is over, and then drag the object toward the right as shown in figure 5.2. Dear students, then after observe the result of both the selection tool in figure 5.2. Okay, dear students, this is the figure 5.2. You can see here, this is the result of using rectangular selection tool, and this is the result of using free from selection tool. Okay students, here you can see keyboard shortcuts. Dear students, press Ctrl plus A key combination to select the entire drawing. Dear students, if you want to select entire drawing, then you have to press the key combination Ctrl plus A. Okay students, Ctrl plus A. This is the key combination to select the entire drawing, and it is also a shortcut key to select the entire drawing. Okay students, now C is select all tool. Okay, select all tool helps select the entire picture. And D is invert selection tool. Invert selection tool select the rest of picture except the current selected area. Okay students, invert selection tool select the rest of picture except the current selected area. Okay, now dear students, come to the next page. Okay, dear students, your next topic is moving and copying an object. Dear students, you can move and copy an object using the cut, copy and paste commands. Okay, so dear students, first we will learn how to move an object in a drawing. So look at the topic, moving an object. Okay, moving an object means changing the position of an object on the drawing area. Dear students, and the cut command cuts the selected object, and the paste command paste it to new location in a drawing. So dear students, if you want to move an object, you have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to draw any object. Okay, here you can see figure number 5.3. the publisher has made this object. This is the house. So dear students, for example, you have to also draw a house as so figure 5.3. and second step, select any part of the house that you wish to cut with the help of select tool. Okay students, so suppose that this area we want to cut. Okay, so first of all you have to click on the home tab, and then after you have to select the cut option in the clipboard group. Okay students, then after you have to click on the cut option in the clipboard group. The select part disappear from the drawing area. Okay students, so suppose that if you want to cut this portion, so first of all you have to select this, and then after you have to click on the home tab, and then after you have to select the cut option from the clipboard group, and you will see the result, that is the selected part has gone disappear. Now fourth step is click on the paste option from the clipboard group. Then after you have to click on the paste option from the clipboard group. The part that you cut from the picture reappear at the left corner of the drawing area. And dear students, notice that the pasted object has a selection box around it. And release the mouse button and click outside the selection box. Okay students, look here. First of all, in figure number A, you can see here this area has gone selected. Okay, and then after applying the cut option, this area has gone disappear here, and then after applying paste option, the selected portion has gone paste left corner of the drawing area. Okay students, now the class has gone over, and the next topic I will explain in my next video. Okay, bye bye students, have a good day, and thank you for watching my videos.